All right, guys, let's talk about this guitar tone. All right, so the past few weeks I did a bunch of NAMM videos. They were very long videos, and usually, I alternate short videos and long videos every other week. So the next few weeks are going to be a few short videos to kind of make up for that and give me some time to do my other work. So I hope that's okay with you guys. So what we're going over today is a mix that's in progress, so please be nice to me. And I just wanted to focus on this lead guitar sound and how I got it because, again, shorty video. So this track is called Mad Scientist, and it's by Evan Diamond and The Library. And it's going to be coming out on their new EP whenever that ends up being released. So I'm just going to play this instrumental part for you guys really quick so that you can hear the guitar in context. So just listen to this lead guitar here. All right, so my computer is right on the edge of not being able to play this right now because I have so much going on in this session. So what I'm actually going to do so that you can hear it in context is I'm going to bounce out this section for you and play it now. Okay, and so now I'm just going to make these other tracks inactive so my session doesn't have trouble. Okay, so now we just have this lead guitar active. So let me play just this section for you with the lead guitar. Okay, so I have two aux tracks for this lead guitar. All right, and so basically I have similar stuff on each of these aux tracks. This one's kind of like my effects track, quote unquote. That's like what I'm calling it in my head. And then this is like my main aux track, right? So this one has the delay active, whereas this one I played with having like a lighter delay on here, but I took that out. So basically I have EQ on each of these. These EQs should match. Yep. And then I have this doubler too, which is a Waves plugin, right? I'll put a link in the description below to this plugin for you guys. But basically I'm just adding a couple more voices to this guitar, right? So it's just doubling the guitar, right? So I'm making a couple more iterations of the guitar. I bring the gain down a good amount, right? -4.7 and -6 looks like is what I did. That's a good amount. That's enough so that you'll definitely notice a difference between the main guitar and then the copied versions of it, right? I have them panned out at 45 degrees, right? So that's kind of in the middle of the panning environment. And that's just, to widen the sound. So if I made perfect doubles of something and then panned them out, that might widen the sound a little bit. But when you then change them slightly with delay and detuning, and then you also have them panned here, that's going to have a much bigger impact, right? So that's why we use things like this doubler plugin, right? So it's really adding width to this guitar. So yeah, and you can see here how much I have them delayed by and then how much I have them detuned by, if you're curious. I just kind of tinker around with these things and arrive at wherever I arrive. But this is how I have this. This is how I like it. I'll play it with and without this plugin for you guys because this is like a big part of the sound that I sculpted. I feel like this plugin really has a big impact here. And then I also have this unfiltered audio indent plugin. And so this plugin, it's pretty cool. I really like it. I'll put a link in the description below to this one as well. But basically what it does is it'll like saturate, filter, modulate, stuff like that, right? So it can do a few things all at once if that's what you want it to do. So it's pretty fun. So I have this on here. So then I have compression. I have a little bit of reverb. This is just the deverb. So this comes with Pro Tools. I've also been using the Slate reverb. What is it? The Verb Suite Classics. Yeah, Verb Suite Classics. I've been using that a lot lately too. I don't know why I did deverb for this one, but I just felt like doing it, so that's what I did. And then the only other plugin I have on here is this refinement plugin, which is a Brainworks plugin. So I really like this plugin. I'll put a link to this in the description below as well. It's another Plugin Alliance plugin. But basically, I tend to use it pretty minimally, right? I don't want to overdo it. But basically, what I listen for with this plugin is I mess with the damping knob the most. And so when it's down low, it's less affected. And then when I turn this knob up, it takes out a lot of the harshness, a lot of the transients. So I kind of use this just to soften the sound a bit, make it a little less harsh. All right, so I'm going to play this. Let's see. I'll play this instrumental section again. And I'm going to bypass these. Actually, I'll leave the compression on just so you hear it at the same type of level-ish. And then I will bring these back in so you can hear the difference that they make. And so that's it. That's basically what I'm doing with this guitar right now. I really love this unfiltered audio indent plugin. I had it for a little while and I wasn't using it a ton, and lately I've been really liking it. So I've been kind of messing around with it a little bit more. This is really close. I don't think I changed it very much from the actual preset here. So what I'll do with new plugins that I'm messing around with and experimenting with is I'll kind of cycle between all the different presets and kind of see what's closest to what I want, and then I adjust the parameters to get where I actually want to be. So that's basically what I did with this one, and I really liked just where it was in this one preset, and I think I only changed it like a tiny bit. But yeah, that's part of my process. I don't know if that's the best thing to admit to, but I think we all do it, so there's that. And if you're curious, here, I'll play this part. Let's see. I'll play this, and I'm gonna just boost this up so you can hear how this plugin takes the harshness out. So that's kind of fun, right? And this is just a shorty video, so I think that's probably good for now. That's just one guitar sound that I got. If you want to look at the different microphones here. So I had a DI, and then I had a bunch of microphones on the actual amp in studio. I'm currently using them all. I don't know what else to say about it. So yeah, I'm curious to know from you guys what you guys have been putting on guitars lately and what you find works and what you enjoy. So let me know in the comments below what you've been putting on guitars lately. And again, this is Evan Diamond in the Library, and the song is Mad Scientist, which is not yet released, but it will be released with their next EP. So yeah, that's about it for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, all that stuff. If you want to support my channel more directly, I do have a Patreon. So it's patreon.com/CatoNoise. And my patrons do get access to additional content. So yeah, I come out with new videos every Wednesday, and thank you for watching. Okay.